Miami is known for beaches, glam, and Cuban food. And if you're gonna visit Miami, there's one spot you gotta try. Oh, and did I mention it's vegan?
Hey guys, I'm Eunice from Rated V, your guide to vegan food and travel, and today I'm in Miami, Florida to check out Vegan Cuban Cuisine, to hear their story and see what they got. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Liz. I'm one of the co-founders for Vegan Cuban Cuisine. So we offer here plant-based Cuban food. Me and my husband, we became vegans about 4 years ago, and we wanted to give our community this option of having vegan food made delicious. You wouldn't notice that it's vegan because everything's made from scratch and with the seasoning that it needs to be Cuban. Besides that, we're also eco-friendly, so we use no plastic at all in the store to support a little more our contribution towards the environment.
So I've just arrived at Vegan Cuban Cuisine for this amazing feast. You guys, ever since I got to Miami, I was like, I have to try this because it's Miami. It's known for Cuban food. So you cannot leave without trying vegan Cuban food. It's just, everything looks delicious. It's legit Cuban food, Cuban flavors. They serve it for the people who've either recently become plant-based or trying to become plant-based. What did I get? I, of course, got a vegan Cuban sandwich because, I mean, that's a staple, right? You have to get it.
But why? It's been said the famous Cubano sandwich was actually invented in Florida, and it comprises of key ingredients like the bread, aka pan cubano, a fluffy bread that is non-negotiable. This vegan Cubano starts with vegan cheese, lots of vegan ham, marinated jackfruit instead of pork, pickles, vegan mayo, and mustard.
I got an empanada. They have various different flavors, but I got the picadillo, the beef. I also got some croquetas. And then, I don't know who's familiar with this, but if you're not familiar with this, this is called el frito. El frito is like a Cuban burger, and it has like fried potatoes on top. It's seasoned with all the Cuban seasonings. It looks amazing. I couldn't pass that up. And of course, you gotta get desserts. I got a pastelito. This has guava cheese inside. So let's get started. Starting with el cubano, of course. All right, cheers. The flavor on this is on point. I'm not gonna lie, last night I was at Cayocho with my non-vegan friends. They were eating Cubanos in front of me and I was getting hella FOMO. I was like, I cannot wait until I have my vegan Cubano. I just need this now. This jackfruit is seasoned perfectly. It's served with plantain chips, so you gotta enjoy both. Next, I'm gonna go for this burger. Is this too much food? Maybe, but I'm taking leftovers. I'll eat it tomorrow. All right, cheers. Oh my gosh. This is so moist. Oh my goodness, you guys have to see the inside of this burger. This tastes delicious. Everything here is seasoned so well. I don't think you'll be disappointed, honestly, with anything you order here. All right, empanadas. Guys, I'm a sucker for empanadas. Like, I always have to get these anytime I see them, so I got the beef-filled one. Ooh, the ground beef in here looks amazing. Wow, I'm in my happy place right now. Again, seasoned super well, super moist. I think you could honestly fool anybody and tell them this is real meat. They wouldn't know. Okay, croquetas. Another staple. They have ham and cheese and the chickpea. Gotta dip it in some sauce. I'm gonna have some good croquetas since I was in Spain. Let me try the other one. Both chickpea and ham and cheese, amazing flavors. All right, last but not least, el pastelito, dessert. Oh, look at this cheese. They got chunks of cheese in here. Super flaky on the outside, that guava paste on the inside. Oh my word. This is a pastelito. By the way, if you want to learn how to make these at home, I made a recipe and you can find the video up here. These are legit the way I would remember them at Cuban restaurants before I went vegan. So, ooh, yeah. Guys, if you're in Miami, go to South Miami, come to Vegan Cuban Cuisine and eat your heart out. They have so many options here. You're gonna want to try up the whole menu, so bring your friends. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and let me know what other video you want to see next. You can check out more of my videos up here, and I'll catch you next time on Rated V.